Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, we will look at how to create a contact and also how to delete a contact on an iPhone running iOS 18.2. So the first thing we'll do is to open the phone app, and then if you have the number you want to save in your call log, all you need to do is to tap on the icon beside the number and then tap create new contacts. From there you want to enter the first name, the last name, if applicable, enter the company of the person you want to save the contacts. And then you have other fields. You can add additional numbers by tapping the green plus beside the add phone. You can add email addresses, or you can add the email address of the person you are saving the contacts. You can add pronouns. You can even add ringtones, specific ringtones to particular contacts. You can add a URL. You can add an address. You can add a home address, an office address of the person you are saving the contacts on your phone. You can even add birthday, the birthday of the person you are saving the contacts, and all those other fields. If you so wish to fill them out with the details of the person you are saving the contacts, you can go ahead and then do that. But in most cases, when we are saving a contact, we only type the first name, the last name, and a few other things. So once that is done, tap the done, and then your contacts will be saved, just as we are looking at. I saved this one as a test contact. So if you just typed the number in your phone app, all you need to do is to tap the create contact icon and then tap create new contacts, and then you'll be presented with the same fields, the first name, the last name, and all those other fields. So I'll discard that because we already created a contact. So now to how to delete a contact on your iPhone. So I need to chip in that you can't delete a contact from the call log area. When you tap the eye icon beside the contacts, you don't get any option to delete it. When you tap and hold the call log, you don't get any option to delete it. So all you need to do is to tap on the contact option down there, tap on the contacts you want to delete, and then from here you want to tap edit at the top right hand side, and then scroll down to the very bottom, and then you will see the delete contact option right there. Tap on it, tap delete contact again, and that particular contact should be deleted from your phone. So I will then search for the contact, and you can see that there is no results for that particular contact we just created. So yes guys, we just looked at how to create and delete a contact on your iPhone. Kindly subscribe, like, share the video, and then turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.